Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're back again, day three. Is it day three? No, it's day four. Day four, Thursday, October 24 is currently 9:10 a.m. Welcome to my daily journal. All right, let's get into it. All right, so today I did wake up at a decent hour. I woke up at 7:30. Usually my goal is to wake up at 7, between 7, 7:30. I want to be waking up at 7, but 7:30 the latest. I was woken up today at 7:30. My 7 o'clock alarm didn't go off. Whether it went off and I didn't hear it, but I didn't hear it. So I was woken up at 7:30 today. I did hydrate. I wrote down my goals that since I woke up at a decent hour, I did have time to, get on my morning routine. Woke up, stretched and meditated, brushed my teeth, had breakfast. I ate breakfast today. Actually, I had oatmeal. Wrote down my goals while I was having my breakfast. Still haven't put together that trading Bible, but I got a new journal yesterday, so this is gonna be for the trader capital and how I'm gonna run it and how we're gonna be trading and stuff. So that will be for the trading Bible. I need to get on that. So everything I know about trade, everything I'm going to be doing in regards to trading, it's gonna go in this notebook and I'm gonna read it every morning. So I keep constant reminder, in my head. All right. Always keep the goals and what you want to do in the forefront of your mind. All right. I did get to my desk around 9:05-ish. We're actually screen recording on Zoom right now because what I had going on just wasn't working out for me. So let's see how Zoom ferrets, and then it will determine whether I'm gonna pay extra for Zoom or not, right? All right. So morning routine out the way, done. Um, my monthly goal is 20%. I'm not gonna hit it this month, but moving forward, I'll be, keeping that trend going. Weekly target is 5% on a daily basis, one trade, one good winning trade, and I'm done trading. Okay. So mental check-in, how am I feeling today? Feeling good, feeling energized. I think the past 3 days has been like it's made trading so much easier for me and so enjoyable. And I'm actually excited to get to my desk in the morning nowadays. So yeah, I'm feeling energized, ready to attack the day. Yeah, so let's get into it. Risk disclaimers. Always got to go through my risk disclaimers every morning. I have to tell myself, well, I have to accept my disclaimers going into the market. All right. So I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. Yes, I accept that. I accept. I accept. I accept. Oh, I'm on the wrong day. It's Thursday. Should be on Thursday, 24. I need to be checking this while I'm talking through. I don't know why I'm not checking through. I'm just yapping, yappa, yappa. Yappa doo doo doo. Hey, now it's not even loaded. Yep, 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 yep. That I've got my trading session binaural music going on in the background and it has fucking ads. You know what I'm saying? Bloody hell. All right, so yeah, let's get into it then. I accepted my disclaimers. Let's get into it for today. So today, always start with the economic news. We're on Econ Day right now, and today's Thursday, October 24th. We had job claims at Redfold at 8:30, medium at 9:45, home new Redfold at 10, natural gas medium at 10:30, and Fed balance sheet at 4:30. So that's what we got going on in the morning. So we have news, so we can proceed with the trade. Let's check Forex Factory just to confirm. I always use both. My main one is Econoday, but I always use both just to, sometimes there's news on here and there's no news on there, and there's news on this and there's no news on this. Just best to just use both. Brick Summit still going on. Wonder how they do them. 8:30, 9:45, 10, same share. All right, so we got news. We're set for the day, so we can proceed to determine our risk for the day. Okay, so yesterday I did take a trade. It was one. We're gonna keep. It was a win, $500. We're gonna keep that risk the same. All right, risk is staying at one contract. 10 on the micro. All right, proceed to trade process. All right, step one, condition. I'm still bullish on the week. All right, I'm in a buy program. I'm expecting the weekly candle to expand higher. Whether it doesn't have to close higher, but I'm expecting the majority of the range to go higher. So I'm in a buy program. My pro trend trades are buys, but as you can see, I did take some counter trend trades as well, so I can flip flop between both. And just to be aware of what your higher time frame is saying. So if you get in a sell, don't marry the trade. There's something happen. What's going on? There's something happen on the higher time frame to change the weekly program. Let's confirm or deny that right now. All right, let's go on the daily. Let's start with the weekly. That was a nice trade last PM session there. And I'm just to vibes on the frequency. Yeah. Nope, nothing's happened on the on the weekly time frame to change that premise of being in a buy program. I'm anticipating this high to get taken. So that's my weekly objective. Still going up. Yep. Came down into this mitigation block right here. Yep. Daily. Still respecting this order block. What's one encouragement? Yep. Came and took liquidity into this sequence encouragement mean threshold of this order block. So I'm expecting these highs to get taken to completely fill in this daily CB up in here and eventually head up there. So yeah, nothing's happened on the high time frame to change. So continue. Then the next step we have stage and execution, which is what we're constantly looking at on a daily basis. So now that we've got the high time frames out of the picture, let's note our buy and sell side liquidity on the M15 time frame. All right. So it's always the past 3 days. All right. So we have today's London session, then we have Wednesday, then we have Tuesday. Okay. And if we need to, we can refer back to Monday as well. So all the ones, these are ones that I missed. This is did this one on my phone, was a Tuesday lunch session low. Let's make it the real deal. Real deal. I don't appreciate how slow this thing is. Just makes it no fun. You know what I'm saying? I don't know frequency. So we use that. All right. So below price, we have our discount array. We have London sell side right here. Okay. And we have Wednesday's previous daily low over here. Let me delete this because this trade went up. What did they offer you? That's if you were held, held overnight. 1,000 ticks. Come on, man. Don't mess with me, man. All right, so we have our Wednesday previous daily low. Yeah, the one thing that I'm still collecting data on is these used sell side. The ones that have been used already, is it still relevant? I guess if price is close to them, I'll pay attention to them. But in terms of a clean setup being formed around them, is that still possible? Because they're daily levels, yes, but with the sessions, Still debate there. Okay. But yeah, we've got a sell side, London session low and previous daily low, Wednesday's low. Above price, we have our premium. London sessions highs already been taken. So we have yesterday's AM session high, okay, and yesterday's previous daily high, also in line with London session high. We also have Tuesday's daily high could be in play as well. Or maybe I shouldn't. Oh, on this time for me, I should delete them. Let's take it to Thursday. Let's take it to 12 o'clock works. That works. Okay, and then we can drag these ones over because they're still in play for today. They're in play for today. Drag them over for today. And now we have our buy side and sell side liquidity. All right, so buy side above price right now. We have this buy side AM session, previous daily high, and these buy sides up here. Sell side, we have London session low. We have yesterday's previous daily low. That is pretty much it going in. So yeah, we know that buy side and sell side. Electricity, vibes on the frequency, yeah. Life is not that deep. It's all about the energy, yeah. Now we wait for 9:30 to 10 o'clock opening range for that to give us opening range high and low. Low, low, low. We can maximize. I should have this routine on this one. Or I need to have it written down, you know, somewhere I can see and follow. Brrr. Let's maximize this screen. So 7 minutes until open bell. Yeah, they're in a good spot, and I'm aware of them, but they're not like taking over price right now, you know. It's really the London down here. We also trade currently above midnight opening price. Interesting to know. Research up. That's not what I wanted to do. I don't know what that did, but hey.
If it's gorgeous, you want stunning.
Since we're back below London session high,
Because
potential
the
to come down
pros who
here.
are out there pulling together dozens of projects a year.
Yo, bro.
Thousands.
Come on, man. Just play my tunes and allow the advert. Allow it, man. We also have yesterday's open range gap, consequent encouragement, which was never hit. It shows how weak the market was. So let's see if we are able to get up there. We'll be taking that buy side with it up there today. Seeing how price gravitates to the new week opening gaps and how they can be used as targets. Just wanted that one, be able to get to this one, but that was the low right there. Created a relative equal lows here. Engineering sell side liquidity. It's gonna go up there, do his thing, come back and take motherfuckers that are already winning in this one. Savage, this market is a savagery. Maybe I should be like starting these on 9:15. Yeah, I'll aim to start them on 9:15. Gives me 15 minutes to do my yabba dabba dabba and get to the buy side and sell side. And probably by then when I'm done opening bell will start. Because being early, well, I guess to be on time is to be late, right? So right now, because we've taken that buy side, we also have M15 busy in here, but I'm not focused on the inefficiencies. Our eyes are on liquidity. We have this week's Sunday open. We're below this week's Sunday opening price. So if this weekly candle is gonna close bullish, it needs to close above this Sunday opening price. It's just like midnight open price. If the daily candle is gonna close bullish, it needs to close above this line. So we're back below it. So I'm anticipating that Thursday and Friday we should be trading higher. If not, then it's obviously saying that it's gonna close bearish. So either way, we buy and we sell. We just don't marry the trades that are not pro trend trades. And right now, I'm trying not to marry any trade, to be honest. I'm just having a fling with them and I'm moving on. Obviously, later down in the future, like this buy trade from the PM session, which I did. I didn't engage in it, but I paper traded it, watched it on my phone, pan out. If you would have held, obviously, because it's a pro trend trade, you leave a runner on for your weekly targets. And like I said, I'm looking at London sell side because we took the buy, the way it's behaving, step below it. Oh, that's what the news did. They placement news. It's back above the buy, swing high, displacement, fair value gap. What's the next one right here? One more minute till opening bell. Life is not that deep. It's all about the energy, yeah, the mentality. Oh, yeah. Moving up on my life. Everything else I do is nobody else concerned. Just maybe tune it down a little bit so you are 8. I can hear you, but you're not overpowering. Yo, these journals are going in though. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm dropping some mad gems in them that I need to hear. So when I watch them back and opening bell, ding, 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 that's a huge gap. You know what that means? It's gonna be good price action today. Good price action. So it's below price. That means we gapped up. First time this week that we gapped up. And I'll show you guys on regular trading hours. This is where we ended yesterday at 4:14, and this is where we opened on 9:30. So it's a gap up. ICT said 70% of the time, price would gravitate towards the consequent encouragement. So let's see how that fares. Ferrets, am I using that word right? Let's see that. Ferrets. I don't know if I'm using the word right. English language evades me sometimes. All right. So we have a gap down and a huge opening range gap, meaning price is gonna be good today. It's gonna be good today. All right. So before 9:30 opening, I said that I'd want price would come down here and take London session low. Yeah, that's what's happening.
Most of the world,
So we
including
took
my
the
own
high,
country, generally
displacement,
comparisons are
the
agencies,
value gap,
construction
next
teams,
liquidity
but me
is
and my
that.
research
And
group,
below
we do
below
have
London session low,
lots of tools to
we
build
have
applications that
oh
techniques
consequent
that
encouragement
are
of that
out
about to
there.
hit right now.
Large just plain instilled an interest and love.
Bloody hell, bro. How do I get YouTube and no? I'm not paying for it. I'm not freaking ads. All right, so London session is getting taken right now. Now, if the setup forms now, I won't be engaging because remember, the earliest I can engage in the trade is 9:50, the 9:50 to 10:10 macro. 9:30, it would have to be like a, you know, A plus plus, but like even that, I don't know. I don't know. I've had a few back tests where it did just, happen in that before the 9:50 and it panned out, but don't know, man. For now, sticking to 9:50 being the earliest I can get in the trade. We haven't had our first presented fair value gap yet. This potentially could be it right here. Let's see what price wants to do with that. Yeah, I was saying below London session low, well, we had these on the same level. We have the lower quadrant of the opening range. We have the first presented fair value gap, and we have the low level, which is also into this 15 inefficiency. But if it's not liquidity with displacement, even fair value gap, we're not interested. So yeah, that is the first percentage fair value gap there. Let's see. Yep. Ding 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 da. Ring ding 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 ring ding 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 da. Ding 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 da. Okay, okay, okay. All right. How does it want to behave in there? Everything else I do is nobody else concerned. Yeah, shake it. I feel your vibration. Back over. Ah, yeah, yeah, shake it. I feel your vibration. Back out on. All right, come into this CB. Draw, draw. Also have these two unique opening gaps. So as you can see, the move happened after 8:30 after the news economic event at 8:30, jobless claims. All right, so I'm gonna extend because I don't have very much high hopes for this morning session. There's not that much sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity in close proximity to price right here. Oh, it's quite far away along. You can get there. But I'm anticipating a setup here to form around the London session low, and if it doesn't, then not much we can do there. But let's analyze the trade at 8:30. We had the news. Okay, so London session high. Let me draw it out. Let's just use this, make it simple. No, 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 no. After your vibration. Let's make it blue. Hello. Bloody hell. So after the news, all right, trade above a key high. All right. We have a swing high, displacement to the downside, leaving a fair value gap CB. With a volume imbalance. The word was escaping me. Right there, and how much did that offer you? Oh, we would have gone on the first fair value gap. Low hanging fruit option above first candle high is close in proximity to the swing. We use above the swing, so I'm gonna go 2 ticks above the swing. Stop. Plus 2 ticks, entry -1, 7, 6. Okay. It was offered us 302. So you don't have to wait till 9:30 and till 10 o'clock to find the trade. All right. You know, where there's news after the economic news, whenever there's news, all right, that's when we're anticipating the setup to form. So yeah, I'm anticipating a setup to form at 10 because that's usually my operating hours. But if you can't make it to the market for 9:30 or to watch the opening range and 10 o'clock, you know, you can trade on these days where, you know, you have 8:30 news and see if this presents itself. So at 8:30. So this is why I'm not really anticipating much from this morning session, because we've had the setup at 8:30 or post the 8:30 news already. So I don't have high hopes. But we're going to be watching price anyway, because it is experience. And it's data collecting. Majority of trading is data collecting. We're collecting data so that my brain can recall these things. Okay. Even right before 9:30, he was telling you it was coming down, right? Above a key high, swing high, displacement, fair value gap. 2 ticks above the swing high would end up taking you out. Swing high, displacement, fair value gap, stop above the swing. There you go. Beautiful intuition. Back. It is a good gap opening, so we should have good price action. But that doesn't always equate to a setup, forming, right? Just because it's good price action don't mean that my model will be in the price for me to engage in it. It would be good to watch, I guess, entertaining. But in terms of engaging, not looking very highly likely. But smells very washed. No. Stanley. It's just me and my journal. It still come below this London low. Take this liquidity and give us the displacement to the upside. That's still a possibility. But for now, we'll sit on our hands and do nothing. Mm. We have that 9:45 news coming out in a minute. Trading in close proximity to midnight opening price. So be aware. Been quoting for 38 minutes. If the Zoom stops, I'll be back again. Okay. Whatever news just came out didn't do very much. PMI 9.5. Price seems to be respecting the city.
For folks who are interested in the path of the CFO, my greatest advice to you is
Yeah, no candle body closure in that CB, and they can't even completely close it in. So it's even very strong. Mm. Why do you think we're loud, bro? Let's see, it's taking liquidity below key low and it's trading below midnight opening price. Let's see if we get a displacement to the upside with a fair value gap. Swing low, fair value gap. Coming up close to the 950 to 1010 macro, so it's a possibility, but let price tell us that, right? So far, past 3 days had a sell form. So really and truly, I would be done for the week. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We got pretty sweet setups there. So do you really need to trade Thursday and Friday the rest of the week? Not really. But right now I'm trying to gain the experience. So I'm in the charts whenever I can. Whenever I can be, build the experience, build the confidence. So if a trade presents itself, I will take it, but I'm not in a rush. I'm not forcing it. These are the days that I know I'll probably take a loss because I have gotten good trades in the first 3 days of the week. Just because the markets are open doesn't mean I need to be in there. Let's use that CB. It's coming lower, 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 lower. And we have this is right in line with that old low.
Okay.
950 macro, here we come. What you got for me? What you going to show me in price today? 950 macro. Ah. Right. If it's gonna go long below this kilo, I don't want price spending a long time below it, you know? Shouldn't spend too long below. Now we've had a swing. We've had a swing low confirmed here. So we're just waiting on a displacement with a busy. No busy there. So Not interested in this one. Although I'm not interested, it's not offering us any opportunity. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Nothing here. So the trade checklist once again is stage, which is step 2. We have liquidity. Any liquidity traded to and through must be on the M15 time frame if it's a session or a daily low, but for the open range, M1 works perfectly fine. All right, then we want to see swing low, swing high with displacement, and then leaving behind the fair value gap BISI or SIBI, and the time. Time is the most important aspect in trading, time and then price. All right, is it still a trade? Is it still a good time to get in the trades, the trading hours? And then we go to execution. Step 3. We're hunting down that fair value gap in the displacement, and we're setting a limit order there, putting our stop loss below that, targeting 102, 202, 302, 402, and however high price wants to go, right? That's what we are looking for, okay? Right now, nothing. Guan. Yeah, so yesterday's PM session was actually on a 5-minute time frame. The PM session trade was this kilo. We also had this kilo. We also had PM session opening range low. All right, takes that, spends little to no time, displaces back above the lows, displacement, swing low, displacement, leaving fair value gap BISIs. All right. So for our low hanging fruit option, we want to gain on the first fair value gap. So you would go in this fair value, first value gap, start fucking out. Put a stop loss that allow price to trade into the other fair value gap. All the way down here would be too much of a risk. As you can see, this is actually my maximum stop loss level, tick level 150. Okay, so that still allowed you to stay in the trade, all right, and offered you 1,000 or something ticks. All right, so let's see, target 6, 1 to 6. Yeah, gives you 1,000 plus ticks. So that was the PM session trade yesterday. It looked different on the M1. I probably wouldn't have entered on the M1 because this displacement was too much and it didn't have much of a retracement, which is why I have the M5, as my second entry time frame. If it's not clear on the M1, I know the M5, offer me a clean
Every
up setup.
space is different.
You know what I'm
Every
saying?
person is different. Well,
You
even
know,
identify.
you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So that was the trade. So far, I'm seeing 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. So a lot of opportunities, which is good. I like that. Like that. I like that. I like it. So now, for me to be interested in this trade, I'll need to see price come and take this low and then displace higher. Is it going to do that? Don't know. Don't know, don't care. All right, opening range is about to be done in 3 minutes. Then we'll have open range session highs and lows, which will also come into play as well, which is setting up it right below the quadrant. Back in the let's get ready to the lockdown. Go to 11:30. Buy side. The sell side is here, but it's not confirmed as of yet. And one more minute till opening range is done. There's a lower time frame entry, making itself visible there. Well, I'm not on those time frames, so I wouldn't know. 20 more seconds, and we're done with the opening range here, and we have our buy side and sell side of the opening range ready to go. Boom, boom. They are confirmed right where they're at. All right. Well, it'll be confirmed after this candle closes. Oh, that's the 10 o'clock news coming in with this volatility. And now they're confirmed. Highs and lows. Let's see where price wants to go first. How we get there. And where does it want to go to next? Now we're tunnel vision, right? 10 o'clock, go time. Spend more energy going back to sleep than I just get up. So, where would you rather spend that energy? It's gonna get spent regardless. Like I was saying, it could be a low time frame entry that set up the displacement. It could have been on the 30-second, 15-second the displacement there, you know. The goal is not to be in every move. All right, look like we're going above there to the opening range buy side. Thank you. That's the yeah, that's very cool. Open range buy side is taken. All right, so the only way I'll be interested in this trade is if we get a swing high, displacement to the downside, leaving the SIBI. I'll be looking for a sell. But if not, we keep watching price. Just creating this inversion of the value gap right now. So let's see how price behaves. Inversion, this becomes inverted and it has a VC inside of it. So we have a swing high, just no displacement. Swing high is confirmed, but no displacement or no fair value gap. So still stuck at step one on the checklist. Liquidity. Liquidity getting taken is just the first step. Doesn't mean jump in right now. Okay, this could be the displacement to the downside. This is definitely a displacement. Now it has to leave a fair value gap SIBI for me to be interested in there. Right? Taken a buy, liquidity, open range, key high, swing high, displacement to the downside. Does it leave a SIBI? Then the next candle will confirm that if we leave a SIBI or not. Na 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 na, yeah. And below price, we do have the opening range low, south side. And below that, we have the lower quadrant of the open range gap. Is this a SIBI I would be interested in entering though? This is where it gets tricky, isn't it? This is where the experience that I'm trying to gain comes into play. Swing, displacement, SIBI. Hey, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it because it's following the model. So let me put that down here. The high of this, the high of this is the 360 and 50. So we're minus 1, 359. We're looking at 359, 50. Oh my God, what's happening? Stop. Okay. 359, 50. Go. Stop will be above swing high because it's close proximity to candle number 1. Take profit 102. So above this, the high of this is 78.50. At 2 will be 380.50. So 380.50. which is perfect right there. Cool. All right, so let's go over this trade one more time. Might need to adjust the entry. Well, we traded into a key high, open range session high, displaced lower. We've left the CB. It's a tiny one, but that's why I was debating, hey, is this a CB I want? But it is a CB nonetheless. So, and it is in a displacement leg, and that's what the model states. So limit order set. It's a Thursday. I am accepting the risk that comes with this trade. Let's see how it plays out. This could be the first loss on these recordings, but hey,
So excited to
I'm
be
following
back.
the model, following the trend, following the process.
No, but we did.
Let's see if we're even tagged in this trade, you know? It's used the inverting that coming back into it. That was the stuff I was looking at yesterday too, right? Go ahead. Bad get on rotation. This is what. So jar. 1.2. Just because I don't want it close to the thing, but hey, why was it cancelled? You guys saw that, right? I didn't do that. That's annoying. I didn't cancel it. 54. Trading view, don't be annoying. Don't do it. All right, so let's see. Let's see. 950 to 1010 macro ending now. Let's see what price has in store for us today. Why is it frozen? So before the trade, I waited patiently. Talking about my psychology now. Before the trade, wait patiently for the model to form. I saw it forming, even though I didn't like the fair value gap. Is everything on the checklist has been checked off, so I have to engage. So I engaged. So yeah, pretty much waiting to be tagged in the trade, and we'll see what happens. Took a key high, didn't spend much time up there, and then it displaced lower. Fair value gap, it left. It's a small one, but it's a fair value gap, right? So maybe it could be using the inversion there. Well, yeah, let's see. Every day, it's my job as the trader to listen to the analyst, which is the model. So that's what I'm doing. It's going busy in here, you know, so no. I would like for it to use that busy first and then tag me in and then drop. Well, let's see. So we're about to get tagged in this trade. Freezing. It's cold in here, man. It's on 75. The AC is on 75. It's still like too much for me. 84. I'm risking what? 84. 84 times 5. 420 to make 510 at 428. All right, so we're tagged in that trade at 1012. Let's see how it goes. Okay, we're creating multiple BISIs now, displacement to the upside, so it's not looking very promising right now, but hey, I'll let the market do what it wants to do. The tagged in the trade is in the market in the model's hands. Right now, I'm feeling pretty okay. The only thing I'm worried about is that fair value gap. It was a tiny one, but I followed the checklist, I followed the model, so I have no feelings in this trade. I've done my job, you know. So let's see what happens. I like that. Ooh, like it, like it. I like it, like it, like it. I don't know because it's going into the BISIs, these two BISIs. So depending on how we behave in these two BISIs, we'll see. Where did that close? Yeah. And you can see 100 ticks. I'm not really asking that much of the market, right? But sometimes it's not going to give you, even the 100 ticks not going to give it to you. That means it wasn't a good setup, and that means the market is strong in the opposite direction, right? And one thing that I'm paying attention to too is when the setup fails, how do we behave above that key high or key low that it just failed at? We get displacement to the upside now. If it were to come and take me out, playing out scenario, if this setup was to fail, how does price behave when it comes back above this opening range key high? Do we get a displacement to the upside, leaving the fair value gap busy? Or yeah, then it's telling you, you know, it's going to go higher, right? But for now, also, this is one thing too. My condition is bullish. This is a counter trend trade in terms of my condition. So it's more likely to fail. Sales are more likely to fail than buys, you know, according to my condition, which is I'm in a buy program. So not all sell setups will yield results. Well, we're here, we're in the trade, we're following the system, the model, the processes. So let's see. I've been in this trade now for what? 12, about 12, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. I like that you're not getting a body closure above this candle's low, which is, you know, the top of the fair value gap. I like that, but is that enough? Is that enough? Price seems to be respecting this busy. Okay, it's not even completely filling it in, and we're getting no candle bodies inside of that busy, so it's not looking good right now for this trade. It's not looking good. 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 It's not looking good. Honestly, completely disrespect the BCs, but it's not doing that. So Mhm. Mhm. This is what I was saying. If you've made money in Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you know, Thursday and Friday, you have no business being in the market. Go and have a long weekend. Have a 4-day weekend. Enjoy it. You know, do other things. Back girl on rotation. ICT been in live this whole week. So I hope he's okay. It's probably giving us time to study the material, right? He's put a lot out there this mentorship. Okay, so now we're coming to that lower BISI. I don't want to see price respected at all. See, like before, I would be so impatient right now. I'd be like, yo, you're right there at the take profit. Bloody hit it already, you know? But you gotta let price do what it wants to do. If you're on side and if you're in a correct trade, you'll get the results you need to get, right? But I do like that we disrespected this BC now. Now we have this BC to fight through. Literally one tick. Let's see, what's the low of this candle? We're looking up here. The low of this candle is 334.50, and I'm at 334. 50 ticks. Well, not 50. Two, was it 2 ticks? Yeah, like 2 ticks. Because it's the 25 and then 25 makes 50. Yeah, we're playing around, not playing around, but we're in this order block with fair value gap now. So we're respecting the main threshold of that order block and really the fair value gap here. So let's see. Let's see what happens. We got to 97 ticks. All right, so we were what? 97? 5 ticks away from take profit. But it is what it is. Whether it's gonna give it to me or not, it is not up to me. It is up to me to follow my plan and my processes and to follow the analyst. It's up to the trader to follow what the analyst says, and the analyst said get in that trade. So what did I do as the trader? I go in that bloody trade. Trying to put the gambler of me behind me, underneath, gambler gone, trying to get rid of the gambler in me and just let the analyst lead the trader. So these 2 consecutive up close candles on the block. We do have a tiny CB in here. But whether that's going to be enough to beat this BC and order block, we yet to see. Okay, and just like that, taking out the trade. We're going at 10:12, taking out at 10:22, 10 minutes in this trade. Now let's see if it yields us second take profit, then we can see whether we can move to break even, okay? 102, let's put our line there. $10.22 and technically you're done for the day, you know? You can go do whatever you want to do. For me, when I'm done here, I'm hitting the gym. Hitting the gym, and I got 2 games later. We got middle school playoffs. Boom, boom, center that. Probably Chris gonna give me center too, so. Once I'm done here, it's about making that money. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? Once you're done here, it's about going outside and making that money. Even though you already made money in here, you go outside and you make more money. Work on the business, work on the side hustle, make that money. Our goal is to make as much money as possible. Okay, so we got 100 ticks there. Probably that's all it probably wants to offer us, but let's see if it gets us 202, and then we can move to break even and continue tape reading this market. Okay, so post trade, how do I feel? I feel good. It was a rookie trade, I think. I was kind of worried about the fair value gap because it wasn't such a, a prominent fair value gap, but all in all, I followed the checklist. I stuck with the processes. I put my trust and faith into the model, and I executed, and I let it do its job. I let the model and the processes do the heavy lifting. I'm just pushing the buttons, right? So I let the model and the processes and the trade checklist do the heavy lifting and yielded us our first take profit. Whether we're gonna get TP2, it's not really of a factor to me right now. I don't think we are, but hey, we got TP1 and that's the most important thing. We got to make some money today, so bang, bang, bang. Let's show that. Another one. Just like that. Monday's trade, we didn't get tagged in because it was the trader's fault. The trader tried to go against the analyst. The analyst says the first value gap. The trader wanted to go with the second fair value gap, and we wasn't tagged in that trade. Okay, so that was me having an internal battle with analyst and the trader. The trader needs to listen to the analyst. He has no choice. If you don't, then you're screwed. The trader didn't listen to the analyst, and we paid the price for it. He wasn't tagged in that trade. But Tuesday, we let the analyst control. Wednesday, we let the analyst control. Thursday, we let the analyst control. So that would have been 2K, but we're at 1,500. Anyway, I'm not worried about that. I don't care. So yeah, feeling good that I followed my model, my plan, and my processes, and yet again, seeing it pan out. I'm pleased with myself for having stuck with it. Not, adjusting the trade because I'm feeling some type of way about the candlesticks and how they're, presenting themselves to me. Just letting the model do its thing. Okay. So right now, my next phase is testing whether I move the stop loss at break at profit 1. I think we agreed yesterday that it would be we'll be moving the stop at TP2. So once TP2 is hit, we'll be moving to break even, a little bit better than break even to cover cost, and then we'll let the trade go. Okay, so right now my draw on liquidity is the opening range session low into the lower quadrant of the opening range gap, and then to the low. That I like this movement right here. We came back into yesterday did that too. It comes back into that CB that was created after taking the key high. But right now we've gained a displacement to the downside. So this could be potentially offering you a second entry. I'm not getting in. I'm just We're just observing price now, okay? Ah, my mother's sick. Was it low I wanted to go? I wanted to go high. No? Oh, all right. So we're in close proximity to TP2. Let's see if it gets hit. Excuse me. So that was 10 minutes in that trade. It was in that 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 minutes in that trade. Bad girl on rotation. I feel your vibration. Quickly, quickly. So, thank you. Breaker takes this high. Breaker here. Fair value gap. You have a low fair value gap. So you put in here, allow a stop to price come up in here to this fair value gap. Bad girl on rotation. Like I said, this is our draw, the closing in the open range gap. We also have the new week open gap, and we have the previous daily low from Wednesday. Now we watch price already hit our TP1. So we're looking to see if TP2 gets hit. Yo, let the analyst control the thing, bro. That's all I can say to anybody coming into this industry. Let your analyst, meaning your model, control, run the show, okay? You, the trader, you just follow the analyst. Follow the leader, follow the leader. The reason why I don't think TP2 might get hit is because of this consequent encouragement of the open range. Since the price is just closing right at it or a little bit below it. Not really. Yeah. But let's see how this fair value gap, how price behaves in this fair value gap. And ICT said, just wait till 10 o'clock and see which one is taken and where it wants to go to next, right? We have come back below London session low. And that's another thing too. When do I know to use this again, you know? Swing, displacement, buy side. I mean, sit busy. But we're already in sell, so do we change the price? Do we stick with that, you know? It's a question needs to be answered. Bad girl on rotation. Literally, let's say 200 probably would have got hit, right? I'm just seeing. Barely. barely, barely would have took you out anyway. So anyway, your stop would still be the same. And if it came and took you out, you'd be ending the day on what? 420, 510, 30. No. $90? Yeah, $90 in profit, which is about just about breaking even on a day, right? Like whenever I prep it, it never hits it, right? I just have to wait, let it hit, and then put it, right? But anyway, we've come back below London session low, all right, and we had a displacement to the upside. So this could potentially be a buy setup forming here, but since we're already in the sell, we don't do anything, okay? We do nothing. We do nothing. We just let price, if he wants to come and take us out, it takes us out. We're done. And we end it right then and there. Brr, brr. I'm surprised Zoom is letting me go this long. It's just like a meeting that I just started and it's gone by 1 hour, 27 minutes. Jeez. So I could be using Zoom this whole bloody time. Get bad emails about it. Who knows about? All right. Important plantation clinic at Pine on site in November 10th. I'm sorry for the confusion on the day. Actual date is Sunday, November 10th, not Saturday. Is that? Go ahead and delete this email. Updated version. Good morning. New reset referees and parents. My name is Carlos Man. I will be the lead. You have to be up in the petition. Oh, really? What happened to Daddy? Doesn't matter if you're getting this email because you are your kids' appeals are finished on your someone and please make sure everything is complete before the deadline. So today, November 9th, at midnight, morning. Since you both been in front of the class, if you don't get this done, and sign up, be able to give you the key to everything completed. Oh, they get the stuff. I didn't get that. What a sick. Wow, that's crazy. They give them that. What that comes with it? It's wild. I'm happy for them that they getting treated better than I did when I started, so that's good. Somebody had to do it. That's next fest. Oh, thank you. So it's busy, maybe these three busies. That line didn't quite make it to the open range. Open range low. You still would be in this trade, okay? Because we're looking to move to break even at TP2 and we haven't hit TP2, so this trade will be coming up against you. Getting cooked, toast, fried, boiled, however you like cooking, you'll be getting it cooked. It's not dirty. It's all about the energy, the mentality. Shake it. I feel your vibration. Bad girl on. Get back into it. Right. See, so far you still be in this trade. These funded accounts don't know what's about to hit them. They don't know. All right, so are we gonna use this now to keep going up? You're like one something, 190 something. And then it's like, yeah, nah, you ain't getting TP2, bruv. You've been doing this too good this week. We ain't giving that to you. We ain't giving that to you. Get out of here. Take your 102 ticks and bounce, right? Take it and bounce. I ain't complaining. Shit. I'll take whatever you give me. Brrr. Oh, oh. Yeah, this is gonna get cooked. Is using that inversion and all the block in there. See, this is what happens when you ask too much of the market, you know, it's not always gonna give it to you. Low hanging fruit option. If I had waited till for TP2, look what would be happening right now. I'd be in drawdown. I would have gave all of that up and I would have been in drawdown. Still in the trade, but I'd be in drawdown. Yeah, shake it. I feel your vibration. Let's see what 950 macro does, and then we'll be turning this journal out. We'll leave here like 4. Yeah, got time. even though I wasn't like very set on that fair value gap, everything on the model was saying it's a go. So I had to like engage in that. It's not about my personal opinions and feelings. If the checklist says go and everything's been ticked, go. The market don't care about my feelings and my opinions, how I feel that wasn't a big enough fair value gap. It doesn't give a shit about that. Doesn't give a fuck how I feel. It's just doing what it's gonna do. Aye, shake it, shake it. I feel your vibration. Bad girl, don't hold it. Hey, if you're gonna cook it, cook the trade already, you know? Stop diddy-daddling. Diddy-daddling, bro. Come on, me. Come on, me. And this is where my experience is coming in, you know, like it's done all that. Yeah, I know the not that I know, but I'm 80% sure this trade is cooked. 80%. But I'm not at the level where I can say 100% or 9 or more than 90%. But I know for sure it's cooked right now, but anything can happen right now. It'll just come back in there, back into the high, open range gap high. We failed to make it to the open range low. Nothing really on the M5 looking clean. Nothing really on the M15 looking clean either. But it's a Thursday and you go your 100 ticks, right? Oh. How was that news coming up? Oh, the EA natural gas 1030. That was just more. Let's go into that busy now. After trading into a key low here. Swing low, displacement, fair value gap, busy. But we're already in the sell, so but think about it. Pro trend trade is buys. So now would I be leaving the sell in the dust? Because it's a counter trend trade and already offered you 100 ticks. Don't know. Let's see. It looks like it wants to come down some more. Close back below this CB. So now there's a regular CB. Or maybe no. Either way. I watch price. I let time and price dictate what's happening here. We do have the 1050 macro coming on in 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes. yeah, shake it. I feel your vibration. As I do, there's nobody else concerned. Back at TP1. Also back at the first presented fair value. Yep, I believe. Yep. So we'll be sticking with the original trade idea, I guess, right? From what it's showing you. We'll see. We'll see as we collect the data. I'll let the data decide what I need to do and stuff. So there's no guessing here, you know. All right, 10:50 macro in less than a minute, less than 30 seconds. I'll be ending it after that macro. Let's see. Time to stand. Stand and move for a little bit. Give it a little stretch. Yeah. 10:50 macro. You're gonna take me down to TP2? Yeah? That's what you're gonna do? That's what you're gonna do? Is that what you're gonna do? Is that what you're gonna do? Can you do it now? Is it now? Is it now? Oh no. 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 Oh no is what it's looking like, right? Oh. You did it. Yeah, buddy. Sit my fat ass back now. Alrighty. What you telling them? TP2 about to get smashed or what? What? What do you guys think? Nice. Yeah, about to get smashed. So if you move the stop at 1, you're doing too much. You're not giving the trade breathing room. Right? That's what I'm seeing. Would it came yesterday, would it came to cloud too. What you doing? Yeah, shake it. I feel your vibration. Life is not that deep. It's all about the energy, yeah. The mentality. I make my art. I'll be ending the stream soon. It's just that TP2 get hit. Yesterday, the AM session. I don't know if I got it in this. I got it in the stream, but we we hit. Was yeah 3 TPs, right? We hit TP3. Yeah, it hit 3 TPs. It don't look like it wants to hit TP2. Look at it. It's coming right back up. Another time at the consequent encouragement. Back at London session low. We do have the first percentage fair value gap here. There's no way it come all the way up here not to hit TP2, bro. No way. Don't believe it. So just smash it now. And so we can go about our day. You know what I'm saying? Just smash it now so we can go about our day. Yeah, 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 yeah. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, no. Take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Go on, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. I don't know. I'm just between me and you, baby. Give it to me, baby, nice and slow. Not slow. Like it fast here on these charts. We like it fast. Movement. So I like to see movement. All right, so I do believe TP2 is about to get smashed here. We'll be ending the stream there. So definitely break even at TP2. That is what so far the data is suggesting. All right. Taking two profits, two partials out. So whatever happens next, right, happens. With or without you, you've made your money. Now you have a CB there. Let's not completely fill that in. Life is not that deep. It's all about the energy, yeah. Not. I said, don't want to see it completely fill this in, and it didn't. So now, I wanted to smash TP2. It's just playing around there, isn't it? It's all right. We have up to constant encouragement. Just playing, I want it. Just playing with me. Just toying with that. It's creating relative equal lows here. Those have these two relative equal lows. Come into opening range gap, opening range session low. I still like that. I didn't completely fill it in. Yeah, that's what I want to see. I don't want to see it completely fill it in. And it didn't. So now you have no problems, no qualms going to that TP2. I appreciate you, Zoom. Oh, there we go, TP2. Smash that. We'll be moving to break even there. All right. Yeah, as I was saying, Zoom, I appreciate you letting me do it as long as thing. It's free one. Shit, goddamn, every time I do a scheduled one, you're always closing on me. All right, so let's see if we have any strength to get to TP3. I'll close at 11:10. Let's see how the 10:50 to 11:10 macro. Let's see what it gives us. And I'll close this. Well, I guess for now, TP2's been hit. We'll move to break even. So let's do a post-trade performance. What did I do well today? Today, I think what I did well was I woke up at a decent time, got my morning routine in. So I came into the charts fresh-minded, haven't woken up already, done my morning routine, wrote down my goals, got my mindset ready for the trading day. Also, I waited patiently. And also, even though I didn't like the fair value gap in the displacement leg, I stuck with the process, with the model, and I executed as per the model. Okay, and which which is good because I don't want to see the model form and be scared to execute. Okay, so I executed the model and watched the price action as I was, in the trade. All right, paying attention to characteristics that I wanted to see. So that's what I did well. Where did I fall short today? Where did I fall short? Um, mm, 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 mm. Where do I think I fell short today? I don't know, on a day like this where I feel like I did everything that I was supposed to do, where did I fall short at? No idea. I'll come back to that. How can I improve for the next trade? Okay. Keep sticking to the model, keep following the model and the process, using the trade checklist. If everything is checked, then execute. Follow the analyst. All right. If the analyst says go, then it's go. Okay, we don't question it. And understand that I will take a loss, even though I haven't taken a loss yet this week. I have to keep reminding myself that, hey, I will take a loss coming up, okay? Losing is the only thing promised to traders, all right? So, where did I fall short today? Where did I fall short? Where did I fall short in the charts today? Where did I fall short today? I have to dig deep for this one. Mm. I don't want to be cocky and say I didn't fall short anyway. I'm sure there's somewhere I fell short. I just can't think of it right now. Life is not that deep. It's all about the energy, yeah, the mentality. Nobody else has done. Ah, you shake it, I feel your vibration. Bad girl on station. Beautiful temptation. All right, so we're that for short today. Mm, know that I did everything. I followed the model, I followed the routine, my trading routine. I woke up at a decent. I guess I could have woke up at 7, right? Instead of 7:30, I could have woke up at 7, which is the time I want to be waking up. So I can say I fell short there, not waking up, at a decent time. See, I knew I could think about think of something. So moving forward, I would like to have 2 hours, before I come to the chart, so I can do everything I need to do. Learning about funds and how to start funds, start hedge funds. So that's part of my morning routine now. So learning that, getting my education on that. So once this is like ready to be taken out, I'll have that done already, ready to go. But anyway, yeah. So I guess not waking up at 7 o'clock. But even though I do want to wake up between 7 and 7:30, I prefer to wake up at 7. Gives me more time, to get what I need to get done in the morning done. I felt a little bit rushed this morning. I only read for like I could only read for like 10 to 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Then I had to shit, so I had to cut that out. So I did watch a video today, the one for, so I did that. But yeah, so where I fall short would be not waking up at 7. So that brings my trading morning session to an end. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you learned something today. I hope what you learned today was that if the model says go, go, don't bring your personal feelings into the charts about how you feel about these candlesticks and how they look. And let the analyst lead the show, okay? Let the analyst lead and the trader follows. We don't need the gambler. The gambler should be locked up in the closet, all right? I need to wash my hand to do something to this hair. But yeah, that'll be all for today. I'm really enjoying the journey that I'm on this week. This week has been really fun for me, and even doing these videos. I mean, and even watching them back, it's been like, yo, I really said that. That's some gems right there, you know. But yeah, I've been in disbelief when I watch myself, and I'm listening to the things that I'm saying, and me like 3 years ago would not be saying none of that crap, bro. None of that crap. So I'm proud of my growth and my maturity in terms of my trading. I'm becoming a good analyst, I think, and I'm letting the analyst lead the show. So that's pretty good. About to smash TP3 on this one or what? So I'm proud of my development and my growth for sticking to this. This shit is hard, man. This shit is hard. It's not easy. I know these videos are making it look kind of easy, but it took me 4 years of stressing to get to where I'm at. 4 years plus, actually, to get to where I'm at to make it look this, kind of somewhat semi-easy right now. But it's really not. It's really not. It's just getting easier for me now. So yeah, it's been a good journey. All right. Journal done for today, Thursday. See you guys tomorrow. The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottoms dollar that tomorrow. Thank you and goodbye. I'll tape read the rest of the day to see if TP3 gets hit or, what, and then I'll see what setup we get in the PM session. Okay, so thank you guys. Oh, let's go. 3 more minutes till the 10:50 macro is over. So let's see if we get any movement more to the downside if we can hit TP3 now, or at least take out opening range session low. We have a CB here now, so I should use that to come down here. Doesn't have to, but if it needs to, it has this CB that it can use to take out the opening range session low. Oh no, right? Two more minutes and we'll be out of here. Thank you, Zoom. I appreciate you. I'm gonna start using you now. Okay? Hopefully not 2 hours long every time, but I'll start at 9:15 to like 11:10. That's what 9, 10, 11, 2 hours. Oh, okay. Well, it's gonna be 2 hours. So either way, it's gonna be 2 hours. 2 hour session. This thing goes on for 1 hour, 58 minutes. So yeah, that's about the length of the session, right? Excuse me. Art, like I said, is gonna be. I want to see you use this CB to keep coming down if it is gonna keep coming down. So take profit 2 was hit at 10:58 and he was in this trade at 10:12. That's what, 46 minutes? 46 minutes. The TP1 was 10 minutes. TP2 was 46 minutes. I like that. It's respecting it. Closure below. We have this order block here. Open. Let's see. If we get a closure above this, then it's not looking too good. But either way, it can still go to E3. Either way, we don't care. We got 2 take profits. We're at break even. So whether it comes take us now, take us out now. So good. Micro time back to be done now. And morning session is smashed, complete. We went on a hunt. We didn't catch a huge whale, but we're fed, right? That's the whole point of the hunt, right? Make sure that you're fed. And there you go. See, that's the end there of that right there. That's the end of this session. Thank you. Thursday, October 24. Journal complete. We out it.